So this is the last type of simplifying algebraic fractions. This is the hardest type that will come up in your homework. So the first thing we need to do is simplify the fraction on the top first of all. Okay, so we're going to just take it over to the side. So we've got 1 minus 9 over x squared. Now we want to write this as a fraction. In order to do that, we need to find the lowest common denominator, which is x squared. So then we can put this over 1, so then that will help us. So it's going to be 1 divided into x squared times, and you multiply by the 1 which is already there. You take down your minus 9, x squared divides into x squared just once. And then in order to simplify this, we multiply out our brackets. So it's going to be x squared minus 9 over x squared. For the second part, we do the same thing for the other one. So we're just going to draw a line across here, and we'll do the same for the second one. So it's going to be 2 plus 6 over x. Find our lowest common denominator, which is x. 1 divides into x times, and you're going to multiply your answer by 2, and then x divides into x once, and you times it by 6. And then we have to simplify that. So it's going to be 2x plus 6 all over x. The next thing we need to do is to put it into our question again. Now remember, this here is a division line, so what we can actually do instead is write the top out as x squared minus 9 over x squared, and then you're going to do the division sign, and it's by 2x plus 6 all over x. Now next up, you should notice that we can factorize both of these top parts. So this one here is the difference of two squares, so it's going to be x plus 3 times x minus 3, and that's all over x squared. And then we are going to flip the second fraction, so it changes into a multiply sign, and we can factorize this one as well by taking out 2 common. Sorry, I forgot to flip it over here. So we're left with x on the top, and it's 2 by x plus 3 on the bottom. Okay, so we flip the second fraction and we're multiplying instead. And then you try to find what's common. So we've got x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1. And then we can also divide x divided by x squared is just x on the bottom. So we're left with x minus 3 all over 2x. And that is our answer.